So this is the final concrete work here. This is the re-engineering place that we've shown you some videos of it yesterday. This is how it turned out to be. So this is the beam at the cantilever side. We are here to strike off this side. We are doing that this morning so that the block work will come on it. The blocks too are here. It's some few minutes past 7 and the work has already started. Blocks are here. Mixing of mortars too is ongoing. So this is it. That was the isolated pillar we cast. Yeah, good morning. This is some few minutes past 7 o'clock and work has started already. This is the concrete work, the re-engineering that we did at the cantilever side of this side, this part of the building. We've shown you some previous videos of the reinforcement work inside, yes, and the boarding too. We show you a video of it. So this is the concrete work. Yeah, the conductor is striking off the boarding this morning. Papi, good morning.
Morning.
Conductor is alternate. So this is how the concrete turns out to be. This is it. So it is taking the level of the first block course here. So after this is where we lay the blocks on it. So this is the first course, then you continue from the second course, then you take it from here. Our blocks too are here. Everything is set for this morning's work. So this is it, the concrete work. After striking off the boarding, this is how it turns out to be. So we are going to lay the block on top of this one. So this is it. Chief Mason is here. Say hello to them.
I'm the one here.
Already started missing mortar for the block laying. And that Chief Mason is here. Good morning, man. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Togbe, Tagadu. Togbe, the road is foul.
This is one of the isolated pillars here, and this is the mode for it. So we are progressing. We are progressing. Yeah. It's early morning, but we started work. Yeah. Okay. This is of us being at Aburi. So far, so good. This is where we've got into. Today there the rain. Warriors, so we are not able to achieve our target for today, but all the same, we've done our best. We are almost there. Pick our top levels. We start forming some of our columns. We are still on it. So this how far we've gotten to. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good.
So that was Pele for you with a daily update so far on the Aburi Amanfrom project. It's been 6 days since we took over, or let me say we started with a correction, and you can see how far we've come. Solid team, right here, and the rain is trying to disturb us a little bit, but it is what it is. We still have to keep going because we are working on a timeline here. So if you want to see the latest update of this project, you can check out in my playlist. You see how far we are going, the latest update of this project. This is the target. This is where we want to get to, at the end of the day. This is what we want to achieve. And like the title says, we are in Aburi, so you can check the climate here. Aburi is one of the places where the weather is very cool, and you can check the view, the mountain views here. Amazing, amazing. With time, I think in the next 20 years time, Aburi is going to be one of the top place to live in Ghana. So if you are in your 40s, and you are thinking of a place to retire, Aburi is one of the place. I think Shah Hills and Akosomo, these are the place, where the environment is very nice and serene. Retirement is a very quiet place. You don't need to build big mansions or something. Most of them have hill and mountain views, and it's a very nice place to retire. If you're in your 20s, I think this is an opportunity for you to start, land banking. You can start buying, some acres, or you can start with plots all over. Just make sure that your documents are good, your papers, everything done, and then you just have to wait. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spending on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.